Welcome back. I hope you're feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll understand what are outer joins. So what are outer joins? What is your thought about outer joins? Outer joins are the type of joins that return matched values and unmatched values from both the tables. We'll understand them in detail by looking at the type of outer joins. We do have three types of outer joins. First one being full outer join. The second one is left outer join. The third one is right outer join. Let us look at the left outer join first. So what is left outer join? In the left outer join, we are bringing together the two tables, table 1, table 2, based on a common key. So when we are joining two tables, it will evaluate the keys in both of the tables. The key which you have decided on which you will be doing a join. So in the left outer join, after evaluating the keys on both the tables, it includes all the rows from the left table, only the matching rows from the right table. Let me summarize. Left outer join will include all the rows or records from the left table, only the matching rows from the right table. Let's take an example here. We have a table called customers and we have a table called orders. When we do a left join on these two tables, we'll be getting all the records from the customers and only the matching records from the orders. What is the syntax for the left join? The syntax for the left join is very simple. It's almost like an inner join, except that you mention the left join here. Left join and left outer join, both of them are same. So I'm saying select what are the columns you need from the table 1 and do the left join and mention the next table, that is table 2, and mention the key on which you are joining. If you have any conditions, please do provide that. The table which is mentioned on the left side of the keyword is left table. The one which is mentioned on the right side is a right table. Let us take an example. Let us look at the data in these two tables. One is customers and orders. As we already indicated, for any kind of joins, you got to decide the common key. Which is the common key here? The common key or a common field is customer ID. Okay, customer ID is there in customers also. Customer ID is there in the orders as well. So when we want to do a left join on these two tables, we can write a query like c.customer ID. We already mentioned customer C and c.name, customer name, o.customer ID, that is from the orders, and say left join, then ordered customer ID, then from customers, which is the left table, mention the left join, orders, and mention the key on which you are comparing. C.customer ID, that is this, and O.customer ID is this. Now, as we already indicated, it includes all the records from the customers because customers is the left table and only the matching records from the right table. So let us find out which are the matching records. 1, is it matching? 1, is it matching with 2, 3? No, it is not. Yeah, 2. Yeah, there is a match. Okay, definitely these record from the right would be joined with the left. So do we have a 3? Yes, 3 matching is there. Yes. So this record also will be mentioned as a part of the result set. Do we have 4? Yes, we do have a 4. This also will be mentioned as a part of the result set. Do we have 5? No, we don't have 5 here. But it will be still there as a part of the result because it is a left join. 6. Do we have a match? We don't have a match. How about 7, 8, 9? No, we don't have a match. So along with the all the records of the left table, only these 3 records are mentioned. Wherever the value is not there, their null values will be introduced. You can see we have all the records from left table, that is customers. Only the matching records. These are the matching records from the right table are mentioned as a part of the results. We can also do a left outer join with condition. So here the condition is age should be greater than 30. Age is there in only one column, that is customers. What will happen is first this where condition will be executed and it will filter the records which satisfy this particular condition. The age should be greater than 30, that is 35, 32 and 45. These records are funneled for the join. So after that, these records are compared with the right table, that is orders table, and all these 3 records should be there as a part of the result, but only the matching records would be there from the orders. So now 35 customer ID is 2, it is there. And do we have any other 2s here? No, that is the only 2. Then we have 32. Customer ID 4, it is there in both the cases. Then 6, it is not there in the right table. So the null will be introduced here. This is how left outer join can work with the conditions. We can also write a query in one more way. Everything is same except that, say, using customer ID. This will also provide the same results. So let us understand how the right join works. Right outer join is just the opposite of left outer join. It will evaluate the keys in both the tables, table 1 and table 2, include all the rows from the right table and only the matching records from the left table. We are going to take a same example, customers and orders. In this case, orders is the right table. So all the records from the orders, only the matching records from the customers are included in the result. What is the syntax? The syntax is same as that of left outer join, except that instead of saying left join, mention the right join here. The right table is on the table on the right side of this keyword and the table on the left side of this keyword. So here we are using the customers and orders as the top, the left outer join. The syntax is like this: select customer ID, customer name, order customer ID from customers. This is table 1, right join. This is the key and orders is the right here. So all the records from the right would be there, only the matching records from the left. So let us see which are the 2 is matching, it will be there, 3 is matching, it is there, 4 is there, but 7, 8, 9 are not matching. It will be there as a part of the result, but we will introduce the null values in the results. Okay, so the result is like this, where you have all the records from the right table, that is orders, and only the matching records from the left table. Wherever it is not matching, nulls are introduced here. We can do this with a one more way, that is using customer ID. Okay, we can also join 2 tables with a condition. Here we are saying purchase amount is greater than 3,000. So only those records which gets filtered would be funneled to the joins, and with that the result is only these 2. For example, the one which is having a purchase amount on the right table are only this record and this record. So both of them are there as a part of the result, and only the matching would be there on the left. So remember, whenever we apply the condition, only those records pass through this condition would be included as a part of the result. Then here for 4,000 customer ID is 2. Do we have that here? Yes, we do have. And for the 3,500 customer ID is 9. Do we have that here? No, it is not there. So we'll introduce a null here. This is how right outer join works. Let's understand how the full outer join works. So full outer join is a union of both left outer join and right outer join. Here what happens is whether the records are matching or not based on the key we have provided. All the records from the left, all the records from the right are included as a part of the result. Wherever there is no equivalent row in either left or right, nulls will be inserted as a part of the result. So in MySQL, we don't have a outer join. So in order to do that, what we'll do is we will do a left outer join and union that with the right outer join. That will accomplish the full outer join, and the results would be something like this, where all the records from the left and all the records from the right are included. Wherever there is no matching records, nulls will be introduced. Wonderful. We understood what are joins. We'll see the hands-on examples in the next video. Thank you.